How to connect WT301 IoT LTE G2 platform. Step 1. Open casing of the device. Step 2. Open the SIM card slot and insert the SIM card. Step 3. Turn on the switch and you can see the green lights flashing in the lower right corner. Step 4. Open the cloud platform link. Step 5. First complete the account registration and then log in to the account. Step 6. Click My Device. Click on Binding Device. Fill in the corresponding string of numbers starting with WT on the device to equipment number and password. Click Confirm Binding. You can see that the device is online. Then you can see the data. How to read the real-time data through WITMOTION software. Step 1. Connect the computer and device with a USB cable and open the WITMOTION software. Step 2. Fill in WT301 IoT-LTE-G. Step 3. Click Search Device and the CAN port will be automatically searched. Select it and you can see Connect successful.